Hello everyone. Finally Mahindra Thar 5-door SUV is spied again. In this spy shot we can clearly see the top view of this SUV. Maybe it will be get single pane sunroof and many more basic features and specifications also revealed from the previous spy shots. The 5-door Thar will make its debut next year and we can clearly see the hype of this upcoming SUV because of Mahindra Thar 3-door SUV very demanding right now in Indian market. 5-door Thar looking and design are exactly same as a 3-door SUV. Because of in the front section we can clearly see the round shape headlamp, slatted front grills, wheel arches cladding, and in the rear section LED tail lamp, rear door and spare wheel also. But major difference and changes is it get 5 doors and maybe company will be offered sunroof also. On the inside, Thar has tilt adjustable steering wheel, USB charging port, 12-volt accessory socket, manual day and night IRVM, 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, BlueSense app connectivity, engine start-stop system, and voice command, and many more basic features also offered. In terms of safety features, Thar will be get safety airbags, tire pressure monitor system, rear parking sensor, anti-lift alarm, panic braking signal, and many more. So this is the features. After that, talking about the powertrain specifications of 5-door SUV. Upcoming Thar will be get two powertrain options. First one 2.0 liter petrol motor and second one 2.2 liter diesel motor. The same engine specifications is used on Mahindra Scorpio N, so definitely it is the best in term of performance. Basically upcoming Thar 5-door is a off-roading SUV, so maybe the company will be offer 4x4 system for the better off-roading performance and it will be launching soon. Hopefully you like this information. If you like it, make sure to like our video and subscribe to our channel. So thank you for watching.